Welcome back. Hope you have a beautiful day and making it awesome one for you. In this video, we'll talk about how to enable or activate or turn on Bluetooth and devices in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So my friend, to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11, first you can see on the screen, this is called USB dongle or whatever you can say, but you can see it is only for $5. You can buy it from anywhere and you can see this is my friend. So now what we have to do here, first put this USB into your PC or the laptops. So put this USB into your desktop port or laptop, whatever you are using. So after putting this USB into your desktop or PC, after connecting that USB with your PC or with your system or laptop, you can see on very interestingly the Bluetooth is enabled now. Currently you can turn on or off. So currently Bluetooth is turned off, but now my friend, you can turn on or off from the slider. Simply turn on that slider and this is turned on, and you can connect any Bluetooth device. As you can see, in my case I have i12 on the Bluetooth headset devices and I have connected, you can see. And in this way my friend, you can turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11 and connect any of the device with your PC system or laptop. So that's all for today. In this video we have learned that how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. So hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that my friend don't miss out on any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.